What's up, YouTube? Well, for starters, hold on, I'm gonna let you hear this. I hope it picked that up. I don't know what that noise is. My truck's not running. It's making a weird noise. Update. So, when I made that video about my power being out, it had been out for a couple hours already at that point. Really, really windy out. Maybe I did that wrong. Maybe it's supposed to be like this. Yeah, really, really windy out. And, oh shit, they're saying the conditions have worsened, and they're not gonna have power back for a long time. They don't even know when. It was downpouring, like hard, and it just stopped, but the wind picked up. And when we initially lost power, it was like, I'm trying to look into the camera, but I always stare at myself, which is a little over to the camera, so it looks like I'm looking off to the side. I don't like that. It bothers me. OCD, right? So anyways, there was like tons of rain and like a few bursts, like crazy. It was loud, crazy loud bursts of wind. And then we lost power, and the power flashed on and off a few times first. I figured maybe it would come right back on, but it didn't. So now this is, what time is it? I guess I can't do that now. It's roughly, I want to say, 8 hours later. No power still. And, what the fuck is this noise? Something living in my truck. Oh shit. I'll get it. See how windy it is? The noise stopped now. Weird. What if it's like the fan was still trying to move or something from my heater system. Charging my phone in the truck. But anyways, we still have no power. I already said that. And we're not going to have power for a long time. They say the conditions have worsened. I went and checked it out. The tree down on my road is still down. It somehow did not affect the power line. Like I thought it was drooped on the line. Like I thought the tree was hanging on the line, but it's not. The tree is straight across the road about 30-40 feet up, and the lines are just fine, but it's sticking way out past the line, so I don't really understand that. But alright, 3.5, almost 4 minute long video. Takes me forever to upload here, so I'll stop this now. Keep everyone updated. I don't know. I think this is the beginning of something unfortunate.